Yum, yum.
Hi there, SeanOrange here, going through a whole bunch of my video game stuff, organizing, getting everything into its proper home. And I'm here in this box, these cables, and I found this Nintendo branded HDMI cable, and I don't know what its home is. So I went through the process of elimination. Wii doesn't use it. Wii U has it hooked up to this junction box, which also has the switch hooked up. Yeah, so that's it for the big consoles that actually use it. Going over here, my other candidates were my mini system. So I have the SNES Classic Edition, the Famicom Mini, and then the NES Classic in here. And I really don't know. I literally just packed the unwrapped or the still wrapped cable for this in its box and put that away. In here, the HDMI cable is right there, so that one's in there. And I just checked, and the NES Classic Editions one and its cables are all in there. This guy, also a Wii, doesn't use HDMI. So I'm at kind of a loss as to what this could possibly be for. Any guesses? Those are the only 3 mini systems I have, and only 2 Nintendo systems use HDMI, so it's possible I mixed one up somewhere, but man, that would be embarrassing. So, what is your home? Okay, this is super embarrassing, but actually going in here, pulling everything out, that sure don't look right. So, found the culprit, found the home. This is where you belong.
Famicom Dojo.